Meaning of granite.
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 Granite. Granite is a type of igneous rock that is formed from the slow crystallization of magma deep beneath the Earth's surface. This rock is known for its durability, strength, and unique granular texture, which is formed by the interlocking crystals of various minerals including feldspar, quartz, and mica. Granite has been used for centuries in construction and as a decorative stone, due to its aesthetic appeal and resistance to weathering. It is often found in mountain ranges and forms the foundation for many iconic landmarks such as Mount Rushmore and Stonehenge.